What if I told you that you could master kitchen design in just 3 days, even if you have never designed a kitchen before in your life? In this intensive 3-day workshop, you will transform from a complete beginner into a confident kitchen design specialist. No prior experience required. Here's exactly what's included in the workshop. Step-by-step lessons that walk you through every aspect of kitchen design from layout planning to the final details. Ready to use templates that let you apply what you learn immediately. So you are not just watching, you are doing. Complete Kitchen Design ebook, which is your permanent reference guide with standard dimensions for every kitchen element, fixture sizes and specifications, professional tips and tricks you can use in your all future kitchen projects. Now here's the thing. Price for this workshop is technically $0, but there is a price you need to pay, which is your commitment. You must be willing to watch every video in full, complete every assignment, show up ready to learn and apply it. This isn't for passive learners. This is for the people who are serious about transforming their skill in just 72 hours. If you are ready to pay the price of commitment, then submit your email below. I'll send you the registration form immediately. See you inside the workshop. Your kitchen design journey starts now.